Okay, cool. It looks like it's caught up. That's great. Although, oh, my camera's more zoomed in than I remember, but that's a problem for more coffee holding. So today we are going to be trying to get Dask, PyArrow, and friends in the same conda environment on ARM. And hopefully it works. And once that works, we can go back to playing around with some of the fun Dask stuff. And if it doesn't, that's going to be frustrating, and this rabbit hole will keep taking time, and that's okay. I'm used to that. That's kind of my life, as yak shaving, as the expression. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with trying to make this. Oh, my brain, fuck. Where's my brain so slow? We're gonna start with trying to get PyArrow and everything to install in a Docker container. And yeah, so let's go ahead and we'll do that. So the thing that I've done that's different than last time is I've switched from using conda directly to using Mamba. And that's just because Mamba seems to be, it was suggested to me that Mamba would give us clearer error messages, which is really useful because I have no idea what that, well, not no idea, but that conda error message that we got last time was really confusing. So we are just going to build for ARM64, and I think that's going to make it easier for us to see what's going on. I hope. Okay. So starting off with, I probably missed something. Unknown instruction LZ4? Oh, right, okay. There we go. I left off at backslash. Okay. Looks like I didn't push the new mini forge base, and the new mini forge base that I made installs whatever it's called, Mamba. Okay. All right. Oh fuck. Did I just screw up? I just screwed up on the platform. So I probably did have that pushed. The architecture tag that I gave it. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's reassuring. And so we're going to install like everything, and then we're going to try and install PyArrow. Oh, okay. I don't. That's not very helpful. Failed to solve.
Did you find it? We'll find it. This is an interesting flavor.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I put in too much honey.
Here we go. Hey, buddy, come on. Go to bed. Go find it. Good boy.
Let's see if this fails again. Okay. Docker build x ls. Docker build x ls. Okay. It says it's running. But let's run this. Oh. Okay, what's going on in fixqmu? And why is it not working? How do I get the list of containers?
Buddy, let's show you off.
Oh, Docker container? Docker container ls. Okay, cool. And then I guess this is, I want the logs here. We'll figure out what's going on. But that's, oh, I guess we'll give it the container ID. Okay, what's it saying? I'm really confused. Because I do not know why this is failing. We're gonna do this. So we're just gonna add this run conda list, and that's just gonna let me make sure that things are at least somewhat happening. Because it could be just that like my emulation layer is screwed up again. Because I did reboot semi-recently. Okay, build X. Okay, so running conda list worked fine. So to me that says that the problem is not what I thought it was. Okay, well, is what it is. I wish I had better logs. Okay. let's install, let's just do this. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's trying to install DaskML? Is it not Mamba? Did I get that wrong? Conda install Mamba. Let's try this though. Maybe. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yep. Okay. So that installs fine. Okay, so that. It could just be DaskML isn't a party. That's quite possible. Oh yeah. I cannot vote, unfortunately. I'm not an American citizen. But for any citizens, please, yes, do go vote. Okay, it looks like it was maybe just the DaskML package that was throwing us for a loop. Although it's really annoying that we don't have any like decent logs. Docker logs, Docker. Does this work? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that works fine if we leave out DaskML for some reason. Okay, whatever. What about this? Okay. And yeah. So let's try installing all of this stuff. I guess I don't need to well, no, I do want to install this explicitly. And bouquet explicitly. Okay. Not a party. It really doesn't tell me why, which that part's frustrating. Is there like a debug mode that I can get? Hmm. Not really. Okay. I'm curious about why the no MKL is there. So let's look that up and see, because that feels like it could Dask no MKL. Here we go. This will probably tell me why. Oh, it's just that these binaries are large. Yeah, I don't. That's fine. Especially if we cache. So we can take that out. Probably. Maybe it's bouquet. Who knows? Okay. The other thing that we're gonna do, in addition to this sort of oh yeah, I got you. Can't really talk about my job, but suffice it to say, like, the things that I pick, um, what I learned doing this stuff helps me in my day job. And that's probably as close as I can get without getting some undesired feedback. Okay, so this is just not being a party, and I don't know why, and there's no error message. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna SSH to oh, actually, but we'll do that as root. And we're gonna set up a conda environment, and we're gonna set up a conda environment that's really similar to the one that we're trying to build inside of Docker. And hopefully this will make our life easier to debug. This is my theory. Who knows if this is going to work out? Ah, bicycles. Okay. So I'm gonna, yeah, totally. I think it's a lot easier when you have projects that you are more familiar with, right? Because like I don't use Dask a lot, but I'm really familiar with the problem space of where Dask is, and so I can have a pretty good guess as to what it is going on. Although, as we see a lot of times with new projects, I guess wrong, right? And things don't work out or take you know, 10 times longer than expected. But like how do I say this? Like it takes a long time to build familiarity, and like I hmm, if there's a place where you already have familiarity, that's great. But if there's something that you're really passionate about, then like that's okay. It'll take a long time, even if you don't have the familiarity, but like, you know, if you're not doing it for your job, it's okay if it's taken a while, right? Like I don't know a lot about Dask, but like that's okay, right? Like there's no one besides myself who is pushing me to learn here. I just have my personal interests, so you know it's fun, and but I can also take my time, and I think being able to take my time is nice. Um, okay, now we install Mamba. I don't know why it says for the changes to take effect, close and reopen your current shell. Like I would just expect them to say like run source, but maybe there's a good reason why they say that. Okay. Thank you. That's really kind. Okay, cool. So we've got Mamba. It's there. Now what happens when I try and install um all of these friends? Wait, what? Oh, I said EX at some point, and so that forced me to exit. Interesting. Um, what? Oh, I got you. So that worked fine. Yes. So then let's also grab those. All work fine. Now we add AIO HTTP. That worked fine. And now I add PyArrow. And wait, it's like, is it not doing anything? Not. Does it have like a maximum number of packages that it'll take at one point? I could see that. That would be annoying. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. That's fine. So Mamba install --yes. And then AIO HTTP. Like I'm pretty sure someone provides AIO HTTP. Because I thought I got that rebuilt. Did I not? It's quite possible. Yeah. Hmm. I thought I did this. Or like I did, but it didn't. That's unfortunate. So, hmm. Um, hey, Princess. Thanks for joining. So, okay. Go ahead and install that with pip, I guess. I thought I got this dealt with, but I guess I didn't. That's okay. Oh, missing, I am. Thanks. And if I try and do a Mamba install, not a party. Right. No, I feel like this used to work and it stopped working, and so that's confusing. But, um, I guess that's okay. That's life. Um, hmm. The okay. Conda AIO HTTP ARM. ARM 64. Must include ARM 64. Oh, interesting. Damn it. So it sounds. Okay, okay. Yeah. So. Do ARM. Yeah. Well, I don't I don't know why it's not there, but that's fine. Uh, I guess we'll just pip install it. That's okay. Okay. That worked out fine, including PyArrow, so that's really exciting. Did this work out fine? Okay. That sounds like it worked out fine. How you, Pendra? Thanks. That's nice. Let's try conda build per doll. I thought I installed conda build. That's confusing. Mamba list by prep-i conda. Mamba. Mamba list. Wait, maybe I didn't install Dask and that's why everything's working. That actually looks like that might be the case. Damn it. Okay. Well, that suppose it was too easy. Okay, and so here it errored, but it didn't print any error message because I don't super know why. Okay, here at least it's taking a bunch of time. So hopefully it's doing something. I don't know. Okay, let's SSH. Okay. Maybe it is not having such a good day. No. Oh, I don't have a lot of free space available in memory. Okay. Tell you what, we're gonna reboot, and I'll add a swap file. Because the killer is not the most predictable. So let's go ahead, Raspberry Pi, add swap space. I don't know. Okay, Ubuntu ARM64 swap file. What does this do? Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna make a manual swap file, because I'm not gonna be. Well, I might do something, but like we'll deal with that later. And this will probably take a while for the host to come back up. Hopefully it did not overheat, and hopefully the reboot was successful or will be successful. So we're gonna give it a few minutes. Actually, you know what? These few minutes might be a really great time for me to go and take a coffee break. So while we're waiting for this to come up, I'm gonna go ahead and probably make another pot of coffee. Yeah, I like coffee. Okay. The host is back up. I've started the second pot of coffee for today, but I haven't had any of it yet. And I've got some very salty jerky that I'm very happy about. That's a good day. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's do. We're gonna. Oh. Oh, whatever. Well, it doesn't have to be sparse. Hmm. Yeah, never mind. That to run. Okay. So what we were gonna do is try and install the party. And while it's going on, I want to keep an eye on things. So it might be weird. Okay. Looking fine. We'll give that some time. So what we're gonna do over here is yeah, let's go ahead and give this a shot. We're gonna try building it in Docker with the emulation layer while we're prepping the hardware node to be able to continue the party at the same time. Oh yeah, so I learned about Mamba last week after I tweeted about like the fact that I wasn't able to get the image to build. It's a rewrite of conda into C or C++, I don't remember. But supposedly, and the reason why I picked it, is that it gives us nicer error messages when there's conflicts. Now, that being said, as we've seen some of the times, it doesn't really give us any error messages. It just exits with a non-zero status code. And that's not great. But certainly the conflict times, it seems to have output more useful information. And this is sort of where we're expecting to maybe see the conflict show up. And so I'm hoping that works. And it'll either like succeed and install and everything's happy, or it'll fail and it'll tell us what's going on. Okay. This is very confusing because I installed conda build with Mamba, and then it says to use conda build, install conda build. I don't know what I'm doing. So for now, we'll get rid of this. The images might be a little bit heavier. But I can deal with an image that's a little bit heavier, provided it works. Okay. Carolyn was right. That stuff is very, very salty. So it's true. I don't think any of us know what we're doing, but some of us occasionally have to pretend, albeit not very convincingly. Okay, this looks like it's going better than last time. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Actually, you know what? If it fails next time, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try installing Python, PyArrow, and Dask together, and then we'll layer the other packages on top. And I've got my Mountain Dew Baja Blast in a can from when they had that limited edition flavor available in cans, which looks like October. I really hope this is the production date of October 2019 and not the expiry date, but either way, I'm drinking it. Okay. I've got this error message before, and I do not super understand what's going on. Like I just, oh, okay, yeah. I don't really care. I guess I do want to install Bouquet though. Yeah. Yeah. No, don't exit. Okay. Cool. Maybe I just forgot to install Bouquet. I could see myself doing that. Okay. Oh, and I forgot so maybe this will do the trick. I have some typos. Oh, I do. It is not going to succeed. Good catch. Thank you. Thanks, princess. I am... Please, yes. Okay. This time, maybe it'll work. Right? It could work. It could work. Let's see how we're doing over here. We're still getting our... Oh! Okay, did this actually install anything? And I think the answer is no. So I think, and this is just a guess, the conda build package is just not a party to install with Mamba. And that makes sense, but like... Yeah, let's see. I'm optimistic it will succeed. I don't know, but maybe my optimism is completely misplaced, like normal. How we doing? Could work. It could work. It's true. I'm really glad that I'm not running this in Travis. CI systems frustrate me a lot. A lot. That's okay though. Fuck yeah. It worked. It worked. Okay, well it worked, and that's cool and all, but I'm also suspicious because oh yeah. No. Travis is good beats, but like I'm just very glad that I'm not having to use Travis here because it would be even harder for me to understand what the hell's going on. So, that being said, we are going to go ahead and we're going to rerun this local. Oh shit. Okay. So we're going to need to build the AMD 64 image now as well because there's a chance that some of these nodes could get scheduled on the AMD 64 image. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to run this here, and that's just so that we end up with like a sufficiently similar environment in between what's in the containers and what's going to be on my console running the notebooks. Cool. Shit is happy. Oh, damn it. Run out as root because, yeah. Okay. Yep. This is looking good though. I am optimistic that we might have this partying in the same environment on AMD 64 and ARM 64. And it looks like a lot of my difficulty earlier was probably just trying to install conda build with Mamba, and that looks like it's not supported. I wish there was a better error message for that. But you know, this works, and I don't particularly want to look a gift horse in the mouth, as it were. So yeah. It works. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, oh, the other thing I'm gonna do is mk swap, just while we're here, mk swap my swap file, swap on fair point. Okay. Cool. And we've got some swap space. Well, this is still failing here. It's so confusing. Don't think I understand. Like, I wish Mamba would give me a clearer error message here. Right, like I just... But, you know, that's fine, I guess. Let's do a conda list. Okay, well, we have Dask installed, and that's that. Really, whatever. Maybe the one exit code here. No, it's the 0 exit code now. Okay. I don't. I don't super understand what's going on with Mamba here. It doesn't super matter though, because this isn't like inside the container. This isn't the place where I care about it. But like on a like, I am confused level, like that's a thing, and I feel uncomfortable when I don't understand what's going on. Okay, so for some reason, trying to install Jupyter Server proxy results in a failure. Oh, maybe strace was a bad idea. um, okay. I don't know what's going on, but also, frankly, um, this Jupyter server proxy, hella optional. Don't really, yeah. I believe the expression would be not my monkeys, not my circus. Uh, don't really care in comparison to the other things going on. Because yeah, we can use that to get some nice things in our notebook, and that would be cool and all. But if it's not gonna work, then that's okay. We'll just leave it out and we'll just do everything else. So we're good. Everything's installed. I'm very happy. Uh, and we've got a new container image, which in theory has everything. I've got a conda environment built outside of a container, which also has everything. So I think we're good to go for the next phase. And it's been probably about an hour, I think, almost an hour. So I think that's a really good cut point. Also because my throat feels like not super happy still. So I'm gonna take a break from talking and working, and I'm gonna go hang out with my puppy because I love him, and it'll be fun. And thanks everyone for joining. I will try and do another stream this afternoon or tomorrow using this container to actually like write a bunch of stuff out, and it'll hopefully be good. So I'm really excited. Big shout out to Princess for helping with my Docker files. Also a shout out to the Mamba people. This has been a lot faster than it would have been with Conda, so I really appreciate that. I do wish that the error messages, like the non-zero return code, I wish there was something printed along with that so I knew what was going on. But at the very least, it gets there really, really quickly. And so that's pretty sweet. I like that. So thanks everyone. I hope you're having as good a weekend as possible. If you're an American citizen, please vote and vote for people who aren't terrible. And local elections matter too, right? Like even in San Francisco, we've had people in recent memory run for the school board who are very against people like me. So don't just assume that because where you are is liberal, you know, all of the people are going to be supportive of the same kind of things that you would be supportive of. Take the time to research the candidates in your local election as well, because they can have huge impacts. And please, for the love of God, like just if you don't got the time for that, at least vote this fucking asshole out of office. Like I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna be leading the stream. I'll come back in a few hours, probably after puppy class. Because we got the container working. I'm sorry. There's the recording on YouTube if you want to see it. I'll probably be back this afternoon, and if I'm not, either way, I'll be back tomorrow, doing more stuff now that we've got the container built properly. Promise. Anyways, thanks everyone. Have a lovely day, and I'm sorry to run.